Hello, Hunter. I'm nothing but an armor stand. What fear do you hold me against now? I'm not even here, and yet you still fear me like you were Etsu's child. How immature can you get? I mean, I can't blame you. I also feared my mother too, but I grew out of it. Wow, impressive. You're talking back to your mother now, aren't you? We're two faces of the same coin, Hunter. No matter what you do, no matter what you try to do, you and I are the same. That friend of yours? What was his name again? Rain. You'll hurt him just the same way I hurt you. Oh, don't even try to deny it. You've already done so already. He's tried so hard trying to find you. He's tried many times trying to figure you out.
Hi everyone, I'm Classics, otherwise known as the creator of this ARG. The three episodes I have just posted, including this one, or are minisodes. They are basically just showing what the characters' backstory are and what their lives are outside of Minecraft. Anyways, um the thing is, for anyone who loves solving puzzles, you're gonna love what I have planned for you. I'm going to have to study like a typology or many other puzzles. So don't worry if this doesn't feel like an ARG soon. Oh, it will be soon enough. Very, very soon. Oh, and thank you for like 1,000 subscribers. I didn't even expect for like people to find this. Like, oh my god, what the hell? And for everyone who was hoping that um Rain and Hunter to get a good ending, don't worry, they will. Only if you solve this ARG correctly, because if you don't, well, let's just say it won't be so happy. Okay, bye!